Imagine standing at the crossroads of history and mystery where a simple question asked by philosophers, scientists, and curious minds alike echoes through the ages. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? This enigmatic puzzle, seemingly simplistic, has perplexed humanity for centuries. With this essay, we dive into a detailed exploration of biology, evolutionary science, philosophy, and cultural impact to unravel this age-old conundrum.
Ancient wisdom has long grappled with the chicken-egg scenario, not merely as a query about chronological precedence, but as a profound philosophical inquiry. Aristotle, the storied philosopher, delved into this problem using his concept of causality, which suggests that every effect has a cause, and thus, the sequence of chicken and egg must be logically decipherable. This early dialogue set the stage for a debate that would stretch its tendrils across centuries, influencing philosophical thought patterns and highlighting the complexities of existence and creation. The discourse wasn't confined to Aristotle alone. Other luminaries of ancient philosophy also tackled this riddle, each adding layers of interpretation and depth. These discussions were not just academic, they were reflective of a deeper quest to understand the world and our place within it. A pursuit that resonates just as strongly in today's technologically advanced world. Philosophically, the question challenges us to think critically about the origins and the sequence of events leading to existence. It probes the boundaries of knowledge and understanding, serving as a metaphorical exploration of life's cyclic nature. This foundational philosophical exploration lays the groundwork for later scientific investigations, demonstrating the interconnectivity of thought processes across different eras and disciplines.
To dissect the chicken and egg conundrum from a biological standpoint, one must first embrace the principles of evolutionary biology. Life on Earth evolves through gradual changes, often so minute that they are only noticeable over long periods. These changes are driven by genetic mutations, which sometimes result in new species. The chicken, as we know it today, originated from such evolutionary processes, tracing its lineage back to a wild ancestor known as the red jungle fowl. The red jungle fowl, a bird native to the lush forests of Southeast Asia, laid eggs much like the chickens do today. These eggs, through the slow but inexorable forces of natural selection and genetic drift, eventually gave rise to the domestic chicken. This transformation was not instantaneous, but a result of thousands of years of incremental changes. Understanding this evolutionary backdrop is crucial, as it frames the chicken-egg dilemma within the realistic context of biological development. Each egg laid during the evolution of the red jungle fowl had the potential to carry mutations that could lead to new characteristics, eventually culminating in a bird that would be recognized as the first true chicken. This segment of evolutionary history is not merely about biological facts, but also about appreciating the slow pace of natural changes that sculpt the diversity of life.
The leap from pre-chicken species to the modern chicken was marked by a significant genetic mutation. This mutation, occurring in an egg, was pivotal. It marked the birth of the first true chicken as we define it biologically. This genetic change provided the chicken with distinct advantages or traits that were passed down and refined over generations, helping it thrive in various environments. Geneticists have pinpointed specific gene markers that differentiate chickens from their wild ancestors. These markers offer insights into the traits that early chickens had, which may have included changes in body size, feather coloring, and reproductive capabilities. Understanding these genetic nuances is key to unraveling the chicken-egg mystery, as it highlights the egg as a vessel of evolutionary change. This genetic perspective does not merely add a chapter to the biological narrative, but reshapes our understanding of evolution itself. It underscores the importance of mutations, often random and yet so crucial in the grand tapestry of life. By examining the genetic journey from egg to chicken, we gain not only answers, but also a profound respect for the complexity and intricacy of evolutionary biology.
The presence of eggs in the fossil record predates the appearance of chickens by millions of years, offering a clear testament to the egg's primacy in the chronological order. Fossilized eggs have been discovered that belong to various species of reptiles and birds, indicating that the egg as a reproductive method was well established long before the first chicken appeared. These fossils provide a crucial piece of the puzzle. They show that the egg has been a consistent element through much of evolutionary history, serving as a protective and nurturing environment for the developing embryo. This continuity across different species and eras highlights the egg's fundamental role in the propagation of life. Comparative analysis of these ancient eggs with those of modern chickens reveals their evolutionary refinements. This not only helps scientists understand how eggs have adapted to environmental pressures, but also showcases the egg's evolutionary resilience and adaptability, further cementing its place at the beginning of the chicken-egg sequence.
The chicken-egg question has transcended scientific debate to become a cultural phenomenon, influencing a variety of cultural contexts and sparking interpretations across global societies. In many cultures, the egg symbolizes new beginnings and purity, while the chicken often represents fertility and motherhood. This symbolic significance underscores the deep-seated cultural roots that this question taps into. In folklore and myth, tales often explore the themes of creation and origin, with the chicken and egg frequently appearing as metaphors for life and continuity. These stories not only entertain but also offer cultural explanations for complex natural phenomena, embedding the chicken-egg scenario in the cultural consciousness. Moreover, the question has infiltrated language itself, appearing in idiomatic expressions and proverbs across different languages. This linguistic embedding illustrates the question's widespread impact, reflecting its enduring intrigue and the human penchant for pondering the mysteries of life.
Recent decades have seen remarkable scientific advancements that have shed new light on the chicken-egg dilemma. Genetic sequencing technologies, for example, have allowed scientists to trace the precise changes in DNA that distinguish chickens from their ancestors, providing concrete evidence of the egg's role in evolutionary transitions. These technological advancements extend beyond mere academic interest. They have practical implications for fields like agriculture, where understanding genetic sequences can help in breeding more resilient and productive poultry. Moreover, these insights challenge and refine our understanding of evolutionary biology, pushing the boundaries of what we know about species development. The integration of advanced imaging and dating techniques also contributes to this evolving narrative. By allowing a more precise analysis of fossilized eggs and ancient remains, these tools help construct a more detailed timeline of the chicken's evolutionary history. This fusion of technology and science not only enriches our understanding, but also keeps the chicken-egg debate relevant in modern discourse.
While the scientific community may lean towards the egg as the predecessor in the chicken-egg sequence, the philosophical implications of this question remain fertile ground for exploration. Modern philosophy often revisits themes of causality and existence, drawing parallels between ancient inquiries and contemporary issues. The discussion now extends beyond the physical origins of chickens and eggs to explore concepts of causality in complex systems, be they ecological, technological, or social. This philosophical revisit not only enriches our understanding of a simple question, but also encourages a broader application of philosophical thinking to modern problems. Moreover, the chicken-egg question continues to serve as a pedagogical tool in philosophy, used to introduce students to complex ideas about beginnings, infinity, and the nature of progress. This enduring relevance underscores the deep philosophical roots of the question and its capacity to inspire and challenge our understanding of the world.
The story of the chicken is also a story of human intervention. The domestication of the chicken has played a critical role in shaping the evolutionary path of this species. Historical evidence suggests that humans began domesticating the red jungle fowl approximately 8,000 years ago, selectively breeding for traits that were advantageous for farming and consumption. This process of domestication has not only altered the physical and behavioral traits of chickens, but also influenced their evolutionary trajectory. By selecting for certain qualities, humans have effectively guided the development of the chicken, making it a co-evolutionary process. The impact of domestication extends beyond the biological aspects. It has economic, ecological, and cultural ramifications, influencing everything from dietary patterns to agricultural practices around the world. Understanding this human influence is crucial for a comprehensive understanding of the chicken's history and its role in human societies.
As we conclude our exploration of the chicken and egg dilemma, it becomes evident that this question is more than a simple riddle. It is a gateway to understanding complex biological, philosophical, and cultural themes. The scientific consensus leans towards the egg as the originator, supported by evidence from evolutionary biology and genetics. However, the philosophical and cultural layers of this question continue to inspire debate and reflection. This journey through various disciplines highlights the interconnectedness of our quest for knowledge, showing how a simple question can lead to profound insights into nature, existence, and our own understanding. It reminds us that the answers we seek are not just found in the conclusions we draw, but in the questions we ask. Ultimately, the chicken-egg question transcends its folkloric origins to become a symbol of the human quest for knowledge, a reminder of our perpetual desire to understand the world around us and our place within it. In this sense, the journey to answer this question is just as important as the answer itself, illustrating the beauty and complexity of life's endless cycle.